A hotel laundry checklist is a structured list of tasks and processes designed to ensure efficient management, cleaning, and maintenance of linens, uniforms, and other laundry items in hotel operations. This systematic approach helps maintain hygiene standards, extend the life of laundry items, and optimize workflow in the laundry department while ensuring guest satisfaction. Hygiene assurance. Verify that all linens, towels, and uniforms meet the highest cleanliness standards for guest satisfaction. Operational efficiency. Ensure laundry processes are smooth, equipment is functional, and tasks are completed on time. Inventory control. Track laundry stock, prevent shortages, and document damaged or missing items effectively. Compliance. Meet health and safety regulations related to laundry operations and industry standards. Collection and sorting. Check collection from all areas and verify sorting by type, color, and fabric. Confirm separation of heavily soiled items for pre-treatment. Inspection and pre-treatment. Identify and document stains, tears, or damages. Verify correct application of pre-treatment products to soiled items. Washing and drying. Confirm proper machine loading, correct detergents, appropriate temperature settings, and complete drying cycles without damage. Folding and storage. Check neat folding, proper pressing of uniforms, hygienic storage, and timely delivery to departments. Preparation. Open eAuditor app and select Customized Laundry Inspection Checklist. Review all relevant tasks and standards. Inspection walkthrough. Conduct facility walkthrough covering collection, washing, drying, and storage. Document issues with photos, real-time tracking. Flag and assign issues for immediate resolution. Track tasks to ensure follow-up actions are completed. Reporting and analysis. Generate automated reports with findings and photos. Share with management for review and action. Equipment maintenance. Inspect washing machines, dryers, and irons for functionality. Check and clean lint filters and machine components. Report and track resolution of equipment issues. Safety protocols. Ensure clean, organized, hazard-free laundry areas. Verify compliance with chemical handling protocols. Confirm staff use proper PPE, gloves, masks. Standardization. Consistent inspections with structured, repeatable checklists that ensure quality across all operations. Real-time documentation. Capture issues instantly with photos, notes, and real-time updates for immediate action. Task management. Assign corrective actions and track them through to resolution with automated follow-up. Data insights. Use analytics to identify trends, optimize resources, and make data-driven improvements. Customize checklists. Tailor checklists to suit your hotel's unique laundry requirements and operational needs. Regular inspections. Schedule frequent inspections to maintain consistency and prevent operational gaps. Staff training. Train staff on proper laundry processes and effective use of eAuditor for inspections. By implementing eAuditor for hotel laundry inspections, hotels can ensure efficient operations, maintain hygiene standards, and provide a consistent, high-quality experience for guests while staying compliant with industry regulations.